Hi guys. This is going to be a video on how to use McGraw-Hill Education Connect Ed with next week's virtual packet, which will be due on April 10th. So I'm going to go ahead and switch this video around so you guys can see how to log in, how to manipulate the website, expectations on what to do, and we'll go from there. Now, mine will look more like the teacher page because it is the teacher page, which yours won't, but don't fret, it is very similar. So here we go. So this is the website. You will go ahead and click log in with your students' information. Now, your ConnectEd programs will be listed here. And all of the classes that you'll complete will be done this way. Remember off the bat, if you get lost, if you click one of these slides and you get lost, you can always go back to the menu and click the ConnectEd page, and that will take you back. Just like Facebook, just like any of the websites that you use, there's always a home button, so just click the McGraw-Hill red button, or the three little bars that I just showed you, the menu bars, and you can click your ConnectEd page. First, we'll go into your student edition book. This is your actual student edition. You will have your lesson already set up for you, and these are the main squares that your student will need to navigate. The first square will have exercises that you will complete. This is mental math and fluency. Down here is a toolkit that you can use to manipulate the page, and it'll pop up on here. But this one, we're not doing this exercise, so we won't need to worry about it. You can click the back button to go back, and it'll bring you back to today's lesson. You will have a preset math. It's more like an essential question or a number works or a number talk that we do in class. This will get your students started on the activity for the day. This exercise is lesson 4-9. This is something we've already done in class, so I'll just show this to you since it'll be familiar with your students. And this is going to show you how to manipulate the question that it's asking. So you go ahead and you can click your information or click your button to put it in. You can type in whatever you think the answer is, and it'll work through it with you. You can reset if you think that you messed up. You can click a new problem. And this will be for whatever we're working on. Right now, we're working in Unit 6-1, which I'll go back and show you, which we'll have to click through. And I'll have to do it on the teacher page. Division angles, extended division facts. This is what we're doing. So I'll click the home page. And this is where I am able to set up what our focus will be for the lesson, which it has our content standards, what the expectations will be. It also gives resources for us as teachers. So what you guys will be working on, you will have access if it's been deleted, or I'm sorry, not deleted, but if you've lost it or something, this is what paperwork we sent home. So we sent every student a home links, Unit 6 through Unit 6-4 of home links information. This tells you what we're working on. This is the family letter. This tells you exactly what we're working on. And as you help your child with homework, this should be simplified so you can help your student with this newer style of math. So hopefully you guys can see that pretty well. And we will go back. Every student has a data dashboard that you can submit your information to. I would like to have all the students submit it to Seesaw. I believe Mrs. Metz and Mrs. Smith are also using Seesaw. I believe we're doing that as a 4th grade for you to submit any work digitally, but you can also submit it through the school by putting it in the boxes that are outside. And I believe that can be done Monday through Friday. So let's go back. We'll go to our Connect Ed page. We'll go down to, we'll go back to our Student Edition Math. If you have any questions, you are always more than welcome to submit them to Mrs. Metz, Mrs. Smith, and myself. But one thing that you can also do is go to this button down here, which is the tutorials videos, and you can go on any of the questions that you have. You can go and click the video, and it also has a tutorial that will help you.
Create and make sense of representations.
So we'll skip ahead so you can see.
32 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And that will go through the lesson for you and help you along if you're having any questions. So that's an awesome tool. Remember to I should say this, you can check for your assignments in here, but right now we sent you everything that you need assignment wise, so you shouldn't need to go to the assignments page. Looks like it's taking a second to load anyway, so we really don't need to check with that. So let's switch over. I'm going to stop the video here and start one back with the reading side so you guys can see that. And then if you have any questions, like I said, you can message us. So thank you for watching the math tutorial. We'll be putting this out on Seesaw. We'll be putting it out on the Warrick County Primary Center page on Facebook, and I will try to have it on Remind, but I'm not sure I can make the video small enough size-wise to upload it, but I will try to do that as well. So just message us if you need us. Thank you.